presentation. My topic is about good health, responsible consumption, and production. I focus on reusing and recycling of discarded clothing in China's fast fashion industry. I will explain in 5 parts. Why did I choose the field of fast fashion as my research object? According to data, the fashion industry causes 20% of the world's wastewater and 10% of carbon dioxide emissions, and the generation of a large of garbage has brought huge pressure to the environment. Why did I choose China as a major textile country? China consumes 35 million tons of textile fibers annually and generates an estimated 20 million tons of textile waste. Therefore, the reusing and recycling of discarded clothing in China's fast fashion industry is a challenging issue, but also a highly potential field. The problem space is very complex, covering multiple challenges and opportunities such as environmental issues, social issues, institutional, and so on. The challenge of this problem space lies in finding a feasible and sustainable method that can reduce the environmental and social impact of discarded clothing while promoting the health development of the fast fashion industry. Based on this problem space, I conducted a mind map and I identified stakeholders. Consumers are the main stakeholders, as they are the main participants in purchasing, wearing, and handling clothing. After establishing the main stakeholders, it's gradually become clear to the end users that they are individuals who purchase and wear fast fashion clothing such as Li Meng in Persona 1, Persona 2, and Persona 3 are secondary users. They are fashion industry and labor. Next is presence analysis. Rent the Runway is a well-known fashion rental platform in US. The rental model can reduce the demand for fashion and help reduce excessive consumption and waste. Vinted is a second-hand fashion clothing market platform. Users can purchase and sell second-hand fashion on this platform, achieving the reuse of clothing and promoting sustainable fashion. Patagonia is an American outdoor clothing company. The company is renowned for its commitment to environmental sustainability and as well as its sense of social responsibility. Next is design approaches, where I use the three methods to think about the future. In the future, people can deliver clothes they no longer need to specific locations, and fashion designers will transform these clothes into new ones. People can also personally renovate and redesign their old clothes in community workshops. This is another thing from future. In the future, a specific regeneration tool will be designed, which is a magical device that combines 3D printing technology and programmable fibers. This tool can decompose discarded clothes with fibers back into brand new fabric and then use 3D printing technology to create fashion and household items. I have created a user journey map, and during this process, I found that I can design and modify it based on the following points: sustainable material and manufacturing, shopping experiments, education, reusing and recycling, community participation, for life cycle management. Finally, it's about conclusion. With the rapid development of the fast fashion industry, the disposal of discarded clothing has become a continuous problem. Through research and analysis, I have found that this problem can be solved from three perspectives: clothing sources, clothing sales, and clothing processing. In the next stage, I will delve into feasibility of these three options and propose detailed solutions. Thank you. That's all.